Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about an Echo Dot with a red light that stays on. I'll be going over how to fix it easily in this easy peasy, super duper easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. That's right, I called this tutorial just that. Easy peasy, super duper easy tutorial because it is so absolutely easy. But if you are a beginner to the Echo Dot, you might be wondering how to turn this red light off. Well, this red light almost always signifies that the microphone has been disabled or muted. So basically, what this means is that Alexa, okay, is no longer listening and it's not gonna be able to respond to your commands. It's no longer listening to what you're saying. So it's not ready to respond to your commands. Okay, now the easiest way, and hopefully this works for you, but if not, I'll go over another way towards the end of the video. The easiest way to turn off this red light is to push this button right here, which is the circle with the line through it. That actually is the disable the microphone button. And when that's red and this is red, that means your microphone is disabled. So to actually turn off that red light, you can push this button right here. And as you can see, now the microphone is enabled and the red light is off. Now, there is one little caveat that I must mention. I'm going to turn that back on like that. So the microphone is now disabled and is off, okay? So the caveat is that, let's say, in here, this light is not working. So you might have a glitch where your red ring light works, but not your red light at the top. So you might be wondering, why is this red light on even though my microphone is enabled? But in reality, your microphone might be disabled, but this light might not be working. So kind of experiment, try and talk to the device, try and get it to recognize your voice, and that will really tell you if it is enabled or disabled despite this light or this light, whatever the case is, okay? If it's enabled, it should work. If it's disabled, it will not respond. Very simple. Now, the other thing is that on occasion, you can disable you can enable the microphone, so you can go like this, but that red light will still remain on. And if that's the case, sometimes there might be a glitch or a delay or a little malfunction or error with the software or the hardware, just temporarily. What I would recommend is that you unplug it from the wall, leave it unplugged for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. By leaving it unplugged for 30 seconds or even longer, a minute, you are sort of restarting it and just draining any power from in there. So you're sort of restarting it, and that usually solves most problems with technological devices. So give that a try as well if you have a red light on your Echo Dot that is staying on and will not turn off. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.